Strengthening Faith 56. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the following verse of the Holy Quran, chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 38.
And Satan had made pleasing to them their deeds, and averted them from the path.
As mentioned in this verse, the devil fools people into committing sins and making wrong decisions by beautifying the incorrect choice for them. This occurs in situations when a person must make a choice between two or more options. It also occurs when the choice is between the lawful and unlawful, and even between two lawful options. If the devil cannot guide someone to a sin, then he attempts to guide them to the inferior option, even if it is lawful, hoping it will lead to some sort of a sin, such as a person complaining about life and destiny. The devil beautifies a choice by causing one to focus on its apparent benefit, to such a degree that they lose focus on the bigger picture and the consequences of the choice. An adult then behaves like a child who makes choices without reflecting over the consequences of their actions. This is one of the main reasons why people commit sins. In reality, if one truly reflected on the punishment of sins, they would never commit them. Something which helps in situations like this is to mentally take a step back and assess the options by comparing their long-term benefits and harms. Only when the lawful benefits of something outweighs the harm should a person proceed. The other thing which helps is to deeply reflect on the consequences of the potential options. Some choices might be lawful, but if one goes ahead with them, it may make their life difficult in the long run. For example, sometimes people rush into marriage with someone they apparently love. They base their decision solely on their feelings instead of reflecting on other more important aspects. For example, if their potential future spouse will make a good life partner or a good parent, and if they will help them in their obedience to Allah, the Exalted. Many marriages have ended in divorce because the couple did not reflect on the long-term implications of a potential marriage. Many people often claim their spouse was very different before they got married, but in most cases they have not changed at all. The truth is that before marriage they did not spend so much time with them, so they did not observe certain characteristics which became obvious after marriage. Some often rush into action and later have regrets, as their choice caused them more trouble, and in many cases the issue was not a big deal in the first place. This type of action can only be avoided when one reflects on the situation and observes the bigger picture, meaning the wider and long-term implications and consequences of taking a step forward. One should not only assess if something is lawful or unlawful before making a decision. Even though this is the most important thing to consider, yet it is not the only thing. As many lawful incorrect choices, which are beautified by the devil, can lead to trouble further on in life. To sum up, before making any choice, a person must take a step back and reflect deeply over its lawfulness and its potential long-term benefits and harms under the guidance of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Whoever acts like this will rarely make a wrong choice they later regret.